In this video, I would like to show you how you can create a carousel ad with Facebook ads. So the first thing that again we want to do is we want to go to consideration, to our objective, and we want to scroll down and we want to click on traffic. So we are going to create another traffic ad right now. So let's actually call this one traffic ad number 2. Then we click on continue. Now again, we set our objective. This is what we want to do. We want to drive traffic to a certain page, in this case actually to multiple products off our page. And now we want to set the same audience again. We want to, for instance, in this case, actually, we could set the same, but we can also change it a little bit in order to figure out, okay, what exactly works, what does not work. So let's have a look again at the reach. Our reach in this case, again, is 31 million people. We can see over here that we have only an estimated daily results reach of around 990 to 4,800 people and link clicks of 7 to 37. We want always this bar to be all the way over here. This is then the optimum that we can reach. So let's actually, again, have a look at the traffic. The traffic, again, should go to a website. We want to drive traffic to a website, not to an app, not to the messenger, always just a website. In this case, it will not be just that product. It will be multiple products of our puck pillows category. So when we go back into our ads manager, we should scroll down and create again a target audience. We can create again the target audience for United Kingdom except London. So we're going to type in United Kingdom. And then afterwards, we are gonna exclude again London. So we click up here on exclude, and we're gonna exclude London to 10 miles. So London, England, United Kingdom, and we're gonna change that radius down to around 10 miles. So we're done with that as well. So we now have again our audience in terms of location. So we say, all right, we want to reach people from the United Kingdom, but we don't want to reach them from London, England. So we basically target all the rest of the United Kingdom, but not London. So we can see right here, all right, this is who we are going to reach. So this is all United Kingdom and only London we don't want to reach. So let's actually scroll down and let's again change that to women, the gender, and let's change the age to 20 to 40 again. All right, we're done with that as well. And now we're gonna again add languages, and this is again English UK. So we plug that in as well. And then down below, we wanna now add demographics. So include people who match at least one of the following. For instance, we could add puck to this. So people interested in pucks. So we go with puck and interest of a lot of people, 13 million. So then we are going to add, for instance, and narrow the audience down to duck the puck. So we done that as well. And again, we can see, all right, our target audience now is 51,000 people. It's not perfect because as we can see, our estimated daily reach is 1,000 to 3,000 people. Now we can narrow the audience even further. And for instance, say we want people who are interested in, let's say, puck lovers. And we can narrow that down even further if we want to. So let's actually bring it down to max and mini. So puck and then max and mini. So let's see, let's type in puck. And then afterwards, let's find max and mini. So as we just did. So here, mini and max, the pucks. And then we're done with that as well. Now our reach is pretty good. It's not all the way over here, but it's pretty good. So then down below, we can now change again the placements. First of all, I'm going to save this audience right now as puck audience, let's say, or puck pillow audience, puck pillow audience. Then we click on save, and later on we can use this template again. Then down below we can of course change the setting, or actually the let's say the placements of the ad. In this case now we are going to change it to only feeds. We don't want to have it anywhere else. And then down below we can change again the daily budget. We can also of course have a so-called lifetime budget. So for instance, we can say, all right, $350 and we are going to run it for 1 year. That is fine. We can actually run it as long as we want. So then let's click on just daily budget and leave it like that. We're going to leave a daily budget of $5. And so we're going to spend, well, per week, $35, and in a month, then around, let's say 140. So let's click on continue. And now we can create a carousel ad. So we're going to create a carousel ad right now. Afterwards, then in the next videos, we're going to have a look at single image, at single video ads, at slideshow ads, and at collection ads. So when we scroll down, we can see this is how our carousel ad looks like right now. Of course, it doesn't look very good. We have to do something about that. We have to create images for our office, and people can then basically like swipe through some kind of online catalog in order to, well, see the different products that we are offering. Now, first of all, when I enter a text, this text is for up here. So for instance, are you looking for a cute puck pillow? We have the best puck pillows for you in our store. And by the way, they are on sale. All right. So we are done with that. Doesn't look too bad. And now we want to change the images. So these images right here. And the first thing that we're going to do is we want to go again to Canva, and we want to scroll up, and we want to take social media. So social media is then the perfect size for the carousel ad. And now we want to, for instance, import this photo again. We can take this one if you want. We can, of course, also take a different photo, or we can just do one thing. We can go to our page and we can just take these photos from here. So let's actually do that and not go with the Canva option. Of course, you can go with the Canva option, but if you already have photos, I would just go with these photos. So I'm going to save a couple images right now. So let's call this one, for instance, 01 in order for us to find it more quickly. 01 puck. All right, save that. Then let's go to the next one and let's save this one as well. So let's go to this one. Let's take the fitness one and let's save this image again. And this one's called 01 puck 2. Let's go back again and let's save the next one. This one right here. All right. And let's go back and let's save one more. This one right here. And then we are done with that. We're going to go back into our Facebook Ads Manager, and we're going to now select the first image for our Facebook ad. So the first image is going to be this one right here. So with the Christmas hat, and then we'll click on open, and now it's going to upload it into the ad. So we click on confirm. Then afterwards we can see, all right, this is now the first photo that is being shown in that carousel ad. And now we can put a headline here, for instance, Christmas puck pillow. Description could be cute puck pillows, just something like that. Cute puck pillows, because you don't have a lot of space right here. Cute puck pillows, ... And then we have a destination URL. And now we just want to go back into our store and we want to click on this product right here. Then we want to take the URL from up here and then put it in there. And then we are done with that as well. And the see more URL is then going to be just puckpillow.info. So we go back on the home button. We're going to bring this over here and we're going to plug it in there. So then we are done with that as well. Let's actually go back to our products. All right, and then we are going to go to the next image. So now we are going to change this one right here that we cannot see right now. We click up here on the 2. We are now moving on to the second image, and we're going to select the next image, click on upload. And again, we're in this case going to take the fitness puck pillow. So we're going to upload that, and then over here, click on confirm. So now we are inserting this photo into the second ad right here, or the second, let's say, image in that ad. And we're going to change the name, for instance, to fitness puck pillow. And let's take the description for fit people, ... And now we have again a destination URL. So we go back to our store, click on this product right here. We're going to take the URL, go back into Facebook, plug it in there. And then again, the see more URL is going to be puckpillow.info. So then we are done with that as well. And now we can go over to the third one. We cannot see this one right now because, again, it's basically, well, this one right here. When you go over this one, this is now the third image. So we're going to select the next image. And again, we're going to go in here and we're going to take this one with the cute ears. And then afterwards, we're going to click on confirm again, upload it into the ad, and for instance, call it cute puck pillow with ears. Cute. Okay, let's go down again. Cute ears puck pillow. All right. and then we're going to add another description, the cutest ears ever, ... And then we're going to add another URL, another destination URL. So we go back into our store. We're going to take this product right here, going to take the link again, plug it in the ad, and then we're done with that as well. And now we're going to add another of these images. This is now image number 4. And we're going to select an image again, click upload, and this is then going to be this one right here. And how should we call this one? Just another cute puck pillow or something like that. So headline could be the cutest puck pillow. The cutest puck pillow. All right. Now we're going to add another description. We could say, you need this pillow. All right. And then we are going to add another destination URL. This is now a different destination URL. So let's actually go back, click on this one right here, and take the link and bring it over here in the ad. And then we're done with that as well. The see more URL, so basically the button down here, is going to be, again, puckpillow.info. We can change that button down here to, for instance, listen now, get showtimes, download, contact us, book now, apply now, request time or no button. Now I'm just going to leave it like that because I think it looks good and there's no better option. So now let's click down, scroll down, and let's click on confirm. And then this ad is going to be placed on Facebook. So now people can see this ad, people can purchase these products, can click on these individual products, and carousel ads are just extremely well, helpful, and also they're very convincing for most people to buy. So I like to use carousel ads. I think they're great and they will definitely help you as well to sell your products. So if you want to go back into your Facebook Ads Manager, just click right here on close, and then you're now going to be in your Ads Manager and you're very soon going to see the ad. I think we should just refresh the page. Maybe it's already there. And Facebook again will take a couple of seconds until it's approved, and then it will right away spend some money on the ad. And then here we go. There is now the ad number 2. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.